This week we're focusing on new ways to use the Pythagorean theorem. Today, specifically looking at how to measure distance in the coordinate plane with the Pythagorean theorem. We'll start by looking at this pair of points. So we have point A, which is at 0, 3, and point B, which is at 3, 5. So we'll start by making an estimate about how far apart are these 2 points. So we can make estimates, but we can't measure exactly very easily because if we draw a straight line connecting these 2 points, it doesn't go exactly along the grid. So I might be able to estimate, well, this is about maybe half of a unit, maybe this is half a unit, maybe this is half a unit, so maybe it's about 1.5 units, but we can't be certain. So now we'll think about, well, we have this tool, the Pythagorean theorem. How might we use that tool to determine the exact distance between the points? So we can think about the distance between these 2 points as the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And we can use the grid to help us figure out the actual legs of that right triangle. So we know that our grid is composed of squares. We know that squares are right angles. So if I follow the grid lines, I can make a right angle, and then the distance between those 2 points is the hypotenuse. So now I have a right triangle. From here, it's pretty easy to do what we've been doing already. I can use my grid to say, well, this side, this leg is 2 units. This leg is 3 units. So now I can use my Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I know a and b, my 2 legs, are 2 and 3. So 2 squared plus 3 squared is 4 plus 9, which is 13. And if 13 is c squared, then I know that c must be the square root of 13.